Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted last time, but as you can see, we made a bit of progress with my car. There is this project which looks pretty good. Thank you for everyone who subscribed and liked. I was impressed with the numbers of you that you watched this video. My first video, which I edited on my own, which took me quite a little while. So yeah, let me show you what I did by now to this car, and we'll go through a few things that I've done and it still needs to be done. As you can tell by the shape of it, is the wing that we are waiting for. So now I can take all the parts to the body shop so they can spray them. So let's have a look what's inside. That's one ready to be painted. Front wing looks pretty nice color. This blue, unfortunately, does not match my car, so it has to be painted. As I couldn't find a front grille around the Dorset area, I had to go to London to pick up one which is identical with what was on the car. Then I had to do a short trip to Audi pool to get the parts that I needed. So as you can see, I have all the parts ready to go on the car. Decided to change the inner arch. That's the spoiler. It cost me £150 just because Copart managed to damage it when they forked up the car. It's a brand new second-hand grille, which I cleaned it and looks absolutely fine. It's like new. There's the grille, front grille cover that goes on top, and I have also this part of the inner arch which joins together with that one. The reason why I decided to change is just because I have some of these keyholes that were broken, and I know if they are not there and they're not right, the front bumper is not gonna sit properly. So yeah, that's it for now. Just waiting for the body shop to be free to do the car. As the car was not road legal, I had to pay for a trailer to deliver the car to Crash Technic. As Crash Technic is like 30 miles away from me, I didn't want to pay for another trailer. I decided that I'm going to assemble and I put everything together in the yard, which they were happy to let me do it. So I have not had the time to film at all, just what you can see now. And this is the final product, how the car looks. Still needs some adjustments to be done, but overall looks very good. I know many people think that TTs are for hairdressers, but I'm telling you, if your hairdresser's got an Audi TT, then you better be there on time because she won't be late. Definitely no. Next job was to remove the glove box to see why the fan is not working. Meanwhile, I give it a good hoover. Then I had to remove the glove box, which is held in by a few screws, 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top. Once the glove was off, this was an easy removal. As you can see, the motor, you just have to twist that one anti-clockwise and it's coming off. I thought I was filming, but actually I wasn't. How I unblocked, so basically it just got stuck the fan, so I had to apply some lube and everything was sorted, and now everything works absolutely fine. While everything is off, I thought I'm gonna change this cabin filter, which looks pretty messy. Yeah, this one needs to be changed every 10,000 miles probably, especially where it depends on where you live, but I would recommend it. Yeah, this has not been changed. Next job is to fix this glove box. So a few things we need to talk about. Why these hinges keep breaking. So this is acts like a shock, and this gets stuck, doesn't come out, and then this breaks the hinges. So what we need to do is to lubricate this, which acts like a shock too. Actually, it's like a syringe acting. This comes out. Also here it's got this light switch, and then I'm gonna try to fix that broken hinge there. So I need to go and try to use a bit of plastic welding to see if it's gonna hold. If not, then I might have to change the whole glove box just for that. So I left this in for 24 hours to dry. I use this epoxy, but I'm not sure this is a good solution, so let's check. I'll make a test to see if it works. So I'm gonna open it. I'll fit it on to see if it's gonna work properly, but at the moment looks like it stays in place, so that's good. So I fixed this engine, so let's see if it's gonna work now. So I'm gonna put the keys on and I switch the fan on, it should work. So let's let it to go. Hey, it's all working. So job done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the cabin filter back and I'm gonna put the glove box back, and that should be it. New cabin filter, it's just 10 or 12 pounds. I don't know why people don't change it often, because it's quite important. I think it helps also with the moisture inside, to avoid getting too much moisture. So basically just press this and push it in, easy job. So I'm going to try to do that. It's quite a small space there, so I cannot show you exactly where and how it goes. It's not an Audi if it does not have a snapped bonnet release handle, as you can probably see. This is how it came. I bought one off from eBay, 10 quid. I looked up online and everybody was saying that you have to take all the plastics off the trim and then take this bit out that is snapped and it stays inside. But I saw some people doing in a different way, which I'm gonna try to do it, because that's the easiest way and I don't have to remove any trims, which is much convenient, more convenient. As you can all see, all what you need is these tools. And apparently that should be enough to remove and replace the door handle. So I'll give it a go. I'll do a time lapse and then yeah, you tell me what you think and how did you remove yours and how... So as you can see, that was less than a minute job to replace this bonnet release. It's back in place and it's working absolutely fine. Thanks everyone for watching. As you can see, I've done quite a lot on this episode. So I fixed the glove box, I fixed the fan which was not working, everything is ready, just some small touches on the front with after that headlight bracket arrives, and then the car will be ready for sale. Not before I change the oil and the filters and I give it a good clean, and of course I need to take it for a good ride before it goes on the market to make sure the next buyer, the next owner of this car will be impressed with what he's gonna buy. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time. I think this is a common issue with these cars. If you look at this sign here, it comes up quite often, but hey ho, when you have a sports car